Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Looking at that extended forecast, we'll eventually get some drier weather, but we've got a weekend coming up, and that storm system with just a huge amount of moisture coming into the mountains had us push through, but the storm itself is still affecting the northwest, and a portion of that could bring some snow to the Churchill Valley. One or two computer forecast models are showing that, so I'm going to go with some snow tomorrow, and if it comes in early enough, it could accumulate even on the roadways if temperatures do get down to 25. Maybe not necessarily out at the airport. It will probably be milder than that, but many places that could be the case, so watch out for some slick conditions in the morning, and then eventually the snow would melt on the roads. It may still be snowing for a time, and then it will clear on out. It actually could get quite nice late in the day. Oscar Sunday, 41 degrees, and we'll have a partly cloudy sky, but the wind is going to pick up, and then we warm up a little bit to the mid-40s. We could get more wind. Pretty typical for March to get wind as the seasons are trying to change. You get changing temperatures and changing pressures, and that causes the wind to form. Want to show you Sun Valley, all that snow that fell. We were watching the snow stake yesterday. They had 5 inches during the day, then they cleared the snow stake, and then they got another 5 inches of snow here. I'm going to put this into motion. I forgot to put a stop on this at the end, so watch the snow come up and watch the snow from the ground start to billow on in here. So it goes overnight, gets up to about 13 inches of snow right here throughout the day today. You can see the snow down to the ground over the snow stake. They had to push that away. So about 19 inches of snow, that's officially what they're talking about. Top of the mountain here, we're still looking at this, about 12 degrees, so powder and lots of it in those higher elevations. In Ketchum itself, here's a shot from 5th Street in Ketchum. So roads all snow covered. Didn't get the melting today because they had the snow continually coming on in. Tomorrow in the afternoon it will be better, but it'll be frozen during the morning. So very wintry up in the Sun Valley Ketchum area right now. We'll call some snow showers if possible during the afternoon tomorrow if you're planning on skiing at Tamarack or at Brundage Mountain. Snow showers coming in maybe 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. So much of the day could just be dry and cold in the morning with the clouds increasing in Bogus Basin. We'll get snow showers a little earlier in the day. Take a look at the heavy snow reports. These are all heavy snow reports around the region. This one in Fairfield right here, this one was 21 inches of snow showing up over since the 28th of February. So just a few days, 19 and a half in Ketchum. So again, lots of snow. The Wood River Valley really getting the target of all the snow. And there's more moisture still moving on in. Soda Springs, heading down to Salt Lake. Poor travel conditions, but this cloud cover is advancing to the north, and this could spin up some snow right here into Ada County and then pushing up north. It won't be a huge blast, but it is this moisture here around Reno that's rotating around our storm that could work its way into southwest Idaho. So you take a look at the futurecast, and it is still showing a band of snow setting up. Now it shows accumulation. It's hard when the temperatures are near freezing for that much to stay on the ground. So while we wouldn't have that much on the ground, we could get snow and then it melts and a little more snow falls, and so we can cover the ground in Ada County here. Bogus Basin could get several inches, not out of the question. Magic Valley could get a couple of inches with a lot of snow in the higher elevations. Exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today. Some snow falling there in the Churchill Valley. Temperatures near 40 in the afternoon. A lot of melting going on. I'm going to put in maybe an inch of snow plus, depending on what time this comes in. The later it comes in, the less of an impact it will have, but in the morning it could be a little bit on the icy side. Still mid-30s in Boise County with some snow showers later in the day. The further north you go, the later it will be, 2 or 3 o'clock around the McCall area. Stanley Sun Valley will get some snow showers as well. Temperatures primarily in the 20s, but most of the major snow is gone. So a little mixed precipitation tomorrow, mostly in the form of some light snow. It may just end up being mostly cloudy in some locations where there's no snow at all. But Oscar Sunday, we will clear out a bit. The breeze could make it uncomfortable. We're trying to find that day when you have the sun and no breeze, and 42 feels fine. We had that this afternoon.
We did.
It's not too bad.
You get a few hours. Even tomorrow afternoon might be okay.
Next week, though, 40s instead of 30s.